Excellent, guys. I'm going to do a quick run through of how to set up your Shopify store to launch your e-commerce platform. Today, we're going to be focusing specifically on Oberlo, dropshipping with Oberlo through Shopify. But these techniques will allow you to set up an e-commerce store for whatever you want to sell. It's going to be the fundamental, kind of click by click overview of how to get your store up and running and ready to rock. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial to anybody who is looking to use their service. So that gives you, 2 weeks to build out your store and get it looking nice before you start driving traffic to it. So once you sign up, Shopify will ask you a few general questions, and it'll bring you to this portal here that you see on my screen now. This is your back-end admin portal where you'll be able to access everything that you need to access. And we're going to get right into it, guys. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to settings. We're going to set up all the back-end technical pieces of the store so that then we can build out the front end. So the first thing we're going to go into is the general. We're going to want to make sure that this information is correct. You can see with this example store I've set up I've named it Jewelry Express Co. Shop. I've set up an email address for that as well, and put in the store address information.